Okay, so here we are. This is that same key I started to do cylinder heads. Got the heads back from the machine shop, went to torque it up, and yeah, the threads pulled. Luckily, because she overheated, so I've already drilled the first hole here. I got my drilling and tapping jig bolted up so it makes sure you're going true all the way down. I've already got her drilled out. Now we're just gonna start cutting threads for these guys right here. These are some beefy thread repair inserts. These aren't the standard helicoil. Helicoils don't hold crap. These guys, this will be stronger than OE. So stay tuned and let's see how she turns out. All right, here we are. We're just tapping the block for the new thread insert through the drilling jig here. Keeps it nice and true. Okay, so we have our second hole here, cut and drilled and tapped. But if you notice here, the kit comes with a 3 flume tap and a 4 flume tap. What you want to do is you want to cut about 90% of your thread with the 3 flume, and then you want to finish it with the 4 flume. That way your thread insert will be threaded all the way down to the bottom. So now that we got our hole drilled out, we got it tapped for the insert, it's blown out clean. What we're gonna do is drop some big gup of thread locker down inside there, and it's just a matter of taking this guy with the supply tool and just thread this all the way down into the block. And that's all you gotta do. Stay tuned. This is how you repair an engine block. See the threaded insert, beautifully installed. There's the other. Right there. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a running video real soon. All right, as you can see here, our heads are torqued up. I got the cams back in. All torqued up, just starting to get the chains on, timer up. Guys, after installing this cylinder block thread repair kit, I highly recommend. I will never install a helicoil again. I will always go with these guys. I highly recommend these guys. They're in the USA and their product is just unbelievable. So try these guys out if you ever need to repair threads in an engine block.